Hello everybody, it's Miss Diane. Here's my left hand, here's my right hand. I'm going to talk to you about major scales. I've already done a video about major scales, but this one is about fingering a major scale. And we're going to think specifically about the right hand. Probably for most of you, the first scale you learned was the C major scale. And hopefully this pattern looks familiar to you. Did you see that thumb across? I'm going to adjust this so that you can see my hand really well. There's the cross. And going down, we just reverse everything. Okay, so that's the first scale fingering that most of us ever learned. And lucky for you, that finger pattern works for quite a few scales. It works for the C scale. It works for the D scale. It works for the E scale. It does not work for the F scale. Sorry, F scale. It does work for the G scale. And it works for the A scale. It even works for the B scale, which is kind of a crazy one. It uses all the black keys. So, C, D, E, not F, G, A, B. Those 6 scales all use the same finger pattern. At least for the right hand. Remember I said we were going to talk about the right hand today. Okay, so do you know how many major scales there are? There are 12 different notes if we count them all. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then we've already counted C. There are 12 different notes, so there are 12 different major scales. We know how to finger 6 of them. Whew, that's good news. That's half of them already. In another video, I'll show you some of the other finger patterns. Many of you probably already know the F scale, but I bet a lot of you don't know the other 5. So stay tuned for that one.